Ever struggled with bulky car seats that don't fit right? Tired of constantly upgrading as your child grows? Frustrated by complicated harness adjustments every trip? Cleaning up spills and crumbs feels like a never ending chore. Wrestling with tangled straps while your child squirms? Worrying about safety standards and comfort on every ride? Sound familiar? You're not alone. Meet the safety. First, grow and go all in one convertible car seat. The car seat designed to grow with your child, from newborn's first ride to big kid carpools. Fits rear facing, forward facing, and booster seat stages. Suitable for kids from 5 to 100 pounds. No more buying new seats as your child grows. Easily adjusts headrest and harness in one quick motion. No rethreading or reinstalling needed ever. Multiple crotch strap and harness positions for perfect fit. Visible belt path guides make seatbelt buckling simple. Dual cup holders keep drinks and snacks within reach. Cup holders are removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Machine washable seat pad snaps off without removing harness. Dryer safe for hassle-free cleaning after messes. Harness holders keep straps out of the way for easy access. Ergonomic padding supports comfort on every journey. Two removable grow with baby pillows for snug fit. Three position recline for just the right fit in your car. Engineered and tested to exceed federal safety standards. Meets federal side impact safety requirements. Actual fit may vary. Always check your child's comfort. Let's see how life changes with Grow and Go. Before, struggling to adjust harness every time. After, QuickFit Harness makes adjustments effortless. Before, messy seat pads, hard to clean after snacks. After, snap-off pad goes straight to the washer. Before, kids fighting over lost drinks and snacks. After, dual cup holders keep everything organized. Before, outgrowing car seats every year. After, one seat lasts from infant to booster. Before, worrying about installation and safety. After, visible belt path and secure installation. Before, uncomfortable rides, kids fussing and squirming. After, ergonomic padding and grow with baby pillows. Before, wrestling with tangled straps and harnesses. After, harness holders keep everything neat and accessible. Before, cup holders impossible to clean. After, dishwasher-safe cup holders problem solved. Before, multiple car seats cluttering your garage. After, one sleek seat for all stages. Before, stress every time you switch cars. After, three-position recline fits most vehicles easily. Before, confusing instructions and endless adjustments. After, one-step quick fit harness and headrest. Before, concerned about side impact protection. After, meets federal side impact safety standards. Before, kids outgrowing pillows and comfort features. After, removable pillows adapt as your child grows. Before, dreading post-road trip cleanup. After, snap, wash and dry with ease. Before, always worrying about your child's safety. After, engineered and tested for peace of mind. Before, complicated seatbelt paths confuse everyone. After, visible belt path guides make buckling simple. Before, uncomfortable rides for infants and toddlers. After, ergonomic padding and adjustable support. Before, limited recline options, awkward fits. After, three-position recline for perfect comfort. Ready for a car seat that truly grows with your child? Choose safety. First, grow and go all in one convertible car seat. Enjoy quick adjustments, easy cleaning, and lasting comfort. Give your child safe, comfortable rides from day one. Make every journey easier for you and your family. Upgrade your travel experience today. Safety, first, grow and go. Makes sense for families. Click now to learn more and order yours. Your child's comfort and safety are just a seat away. Don't settle for less. Choose safety first. Grow together. Go anywhere. Stay safe. Safety first, grow and go all in one convertible car seat. The only car seat your family will ever need.